Okay, welcome back, and some news about the generator that was located in the port front cabin. So as you can see, it was a big baby with 220 kilos and 5 kilowatts, and located into a very teeny remote place, making maintenance and everything very difficult. So we started to remove everything that was around the cover and all the fuel, diesel pipes and the exhaust and so and so. I had to remove as well to unweld the battery box here because it was impossible to move anything out of the place. Then we had to dismantle the generator in two parts because the width of the door is only 42 centimeters, so it cannot exit from its place and out of the boat. And so you can see here the electric generator here, the part of the overall generator that was dismantled into parts. So it took a while, but anyway, after all, we ended up with a clean place here where I will later on put additional diesel tank so there is some cleaning and some preparation to do. Obviously, this all has to be welded again, and so that's the next steps.